Come test drive the 2016 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.